Let's go ahead and see what's going on. ONDS up 10.5% here in the pre-market, looking pretty good. ONDS to acquire the controlling interest in 4M Defense. Terms are not disclosed. This integrates smart demining capabilities, terrestrial and subsurface robotics, and AI-powered intelligence platform. Really quick, just kind of, I haven't even dug into the PR yet, but just thinking about our interview with Eric Brock the last time we had him on, he told us verbatim that this was going to be a technology stack, that the end goal here for ONDS was going to be the technology angle of this, not just a bunch of little drones buzzing around. And it sounds like that's exactly what they're doing here, starting to add some more capabilities here. Terrestrial and subsurface robotics, AI-powered intelligence platform. I want to go through this a little bit more so I understand some of the content here. 4M Defense is not a company that I'm familiar with. The market loves this, though. Stock is trading up here, 828 in the pre-market. It is at the pre-market highs. It's actually above the high that it made on Friday when it traded up. So good news here for ONDS. Again, as I've told you guys, the way that I'm handling this was a load up when this was sub $1. So the remaining shares that we have here, we are trying to let them run. We are trying to let our winners run here, and we will trim as the stock moves up. I know ONDS has had kind of a pretty nasty pullback from the nearly $12 highs that it put in recently. Good news here is that we really found support on the 50-day moving average. Again, I just want to remind you folks how fast this stock moved. This stock was $1.14 back in May, at the end of May. We printed almost $12 on the head. We pulled back to the 50-day moving average, which was right around $7. So far, we've held that. And it looks like now, as far as a key level goes, we have the 20-day moving average in sight here, really only 60 cents or so away from where we're at. That value, $8.89. We'll see if we can recapture that here. The one thing to keep in mind, if ONDS does trade up towards this 20-day and really can't break it, yes, we will have the makings there of a kind of a janky head and shoulders there. Let's see what happens, though. Looks like we're getting some more good news here this morning. Again, pre-market high, 834 there on ONDS.